Hi, I am Hamed Arab and welcome to Modeling Jewelry in Rhino. In this course, we will look at some of the many techniques used to model jewelry. First, I will explain tools that I use to model every day. But the best way to learn jewelry modeling is to practice. So, we will build different pieces of jewelry. I will guide you through every step from how to use a standard size chart, stone shapes, different types of stone setting, and all the way to adding finishing touches that make your model ready for production. Throughout the course, I will cover modeling techniques, tolerances, tools, and troubleshooting, and I'll use several different workflows, so you can discover which ones work the best for you. Now let's get started.